Hi, what's up everyone? In this video we're going to talk about the top best battery powered video doorbell you can buy on Amazon. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. The gateway to your home is your front door, so it needs to be well secured. These dual-purpose video surveillance systems can help you keep an eye out, whether you are watching for troublemakers, tracking parcel deliveries, waiting for friends to visit, or hiding from that strange neighbor who keeps asking to borrow your lawnmower. If your house has existing low-voltage doorbell wiring, take advantage of it for uninterrupted service. If it doesn't, we can recommend a battery-powered solution that's more flexible when it comes to location. And if you're renting and can't mount anything to the wall, or you just prefer not to, we can recommend a couple of alternatives. Most video doorbells come with motion detection, night vision, and warning features for smartphones, so be sure to read our complete reviews for specifics of how they worked. Many even require a monthly subscription to store video in the cloud, so before you make a decision, factor a few years of service into the price. I have prepared this video guide for the best battery-powered video doorbell to give you the ins and outs to help you make the right choice. So let's get started. 5. Arlo Video Doorbell. Some of the best home surveillance cameras are built by Arlo, so it should come as no surprise that the Arlo Video Doorbell is also one of the best video doorbells. It offers high-quality video and audio both day and night, and identifies both individuals and packages. The Arlo Video Doorbell also works with Alexa and Google Assistant to receive smart speaker updates and live stream video from the doorbell to the smart display of an Amazon Echo Show or Google Nest Hub. Arlo's app has a ton of features, but some of them, such as motion sensitivity, are difficult to find. Also, the video doorbell has to be hardwired. And, for most of the smarter features, including video storage, you need to sign up for a subscription. But, if you have Arlo's security cameras, its video doorbell will make an excellent addition, as you can add up to 5 cameras for $10 a month. 4. Ring Peephole Cam. Is it difficult to mount a conventional video doorbell or live in an apartment? The best video doorbell for you is the Ring Peephole Cam. A typical peephole replaces it, giving you an automated way of seeing who's at the entrance. Do not worry, it has a built-in peephole. You don't have to drill any new holes into a fence, because it screws into place, so your landlord won't get irritated. Because the peephole cam is battery operated, you'll have to recharge it once every month or so, depending on how often you use it. And while it works with Alexa, you can view a feed from the camera on an Echo Show. For example, it doesn't work with Google Assistant. 3. eufy 2K Video Doorbell. Over a 150-degree field of view, the eufy 2K Video Doorbell documents good quality video. If you can sign up for cloud storage, starting at $30 per year for 30 storage days, there is also a microSD card slot in the eufy 2K, so you can also save footage locally. However, the eufy 2K Video Doorbell has a few drawbacks. It's a wired-only device, only supports one user, so you can't share it with family members, and has limited smart home interoperability. But for around $150, it's not a bad deal. 2. Maximus Answer Dual Cam. While several video doorbells claim to have a wide field of view, practically none of them can see what's going on right at your door, where most of your packages are dropped. By packing 2 cameras, the Maximus Answer Dual Cam solves this problem, one that looks straight out and one that looks down directly. That way, you can see if your door has a package and if someone is trying to steal it. The dual camera setup worked well, though this video doorbell has a few rough edges. Its speaker is pretty quiet, and there's a delay between the time you talk and a visitor hears you. Plus, the Maximus doesn't work with any other smart home system, such as Alexa or Google Assistant. 1. Ring Video Doorbell. The original Ring Video Doorbell has been upgraded. The all-new second-generation Ring Video Doorbell has a 1080p camera, up from 720p on the original, as well as improved night vision and better features for motion tracking. And, at less than $100, for those on a budget, it's still the best video doorbell. Like the Ring Video Doorbell 2, we like that you can use this model either wired or on battery power alone, and you can create custom motion zones, and also see what's going on in your neighborhood. Plus, Ring offers very affordable video storage plans starting at $30 a year. So guys, this was the video about the best battery-powered video doorbell. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.